Now if you want to copy a dictionary, you have to be careful here. I can give you an example. Let's say here we say that my dict, let's go underscore copy, let's say equals to my dict. Now if we print here my dict copy, let's go and save this, we are going to have the original dictionary which we have it here. Okay, now if we say my dict copy, let's try to add an email here, and then we give it equals to, let's say max at xyz.com. Let's go ahead and print a dictionary and print the original dictionary here. Now if we save here and let's go and print it here, so just look here, the first print function, you see it prints the dictionary with the email, and also the original dictionary contains the email. This is because both the copy dictionary and the original dictionary points to the same address. So to overcome this, we have to make a copy just by using the actual .copy method. So for example, if we put here .copy, if you save this and try to print here, so you see we have the original dictionary, the copy dictionary with the email, but the original dictionary doesn't contain the email. Also, you may decide to use the dict function, I mean the built-in dictionary function. So for example, here instead of using the copy, you may decide to use the dict like this and put this on, yes, like this. So if you save this, also we have the same results. Okay,